Today, we're diving into what a lot of people are calling the next digital gold rush, an opportunity that's expected to really hit its peak around 2026, AI agents. And look, we're not just talking about some cool new app. We're talking about a moment where, and I'm quoting directly from our source material here, millionaires and billionaires will be created from this. This is an opportunity that could build generational wealth. So here's our roadmap for this breakdown. We're going to start with why this is being called the next golden age. Then we'll explain what AI agents actually are. We'll see OpenClaw in action, give you 3 concrete ideas to get started, and wrap up with a sense of urgency you really need to have. All right, let's jump into part 1, the next golden age. The sources we've looked at describe what's coming not just as a trend, but as a tidal wave of opportunity. If you need any proof of just how fast this is moving, look no further than OpenClaw, which is an open source project for developing AI agents. That number? That's over 100,000 stars on GitHub. That is some serious, off-the-charts momentum for a project like this. But hey, you don't have to take my word for it. Jensen Huang, the CEO of NVIDIA, the company literally building the hardware for the entire AI revolution, called the tech behind OpenClaw the most important software release possibly ever. And the industry giants have definitely taken notice. This technology is moving from a niche project straight to the core of the biggest players, because the creator of OpenClaw, Peter Steinberger, was just hired by OpenAI. That signals a massive shift. Okay, so that's the why. But what exactly are these agents that are causing all this excitement? Let's break it down. The critical difference is this. An AI agent isn't just a chatbot. It's an autonomous system that can actually execute tasks for you in the real world. It doesn't just answer your questions, it does things. This is the fundamental shift. For the past couple of years, we've been using AI like a super-powered search engine. We ask, it answers, we copy-paste. The new method is active. You delegate a task, and the agent goes and does it. It's the difference between having a research assistant and having an entire chief of staff. Okay, that might still sound a little abstract. So let's look at a concrete example of someone who is using a personal army of agents today. This is Alex McFarland. He runs a 6-figure business with literally 0 human employees. How? He has an AI agent that acts as his co-CEO. His main agent, which he calls Proxy, handles pretty much everything. It's writing his YouTube scripts, sending out newsletters, building landing pages, managing client projects, creating thumbnails, even doing competitor research. It's a workforce that runs 24/7 and never, ever gets tired. Okay, so you see the power. The next logical question is, how do I get in on this? Let's move on to the most practical way for beginners to start, and we're going to use a classic analogy. You've probably heard this principle. During the gold rush, the people who made the most consistent money weren't always the ones digging for gold, but the ones selling shovels and pickaxes to the miners. The same logic applies right here. So here are 3 shovel businesses you can explore. First, sell AI-powered services. Go on platforms like Fiverr, offer logo design, and then let an agent do all the heavy lifting for you, from researching client preferences to generating dozens of variations in seconds. Second, train businesses. As owners discover this technology, they're going to be willing to pay someone to show them how to automate their processes, from marketing to customer service. You can be that person. And third, build a lead generation machine. Imagine giving an agent a prompt. Find me 10 plumbers in Athens who need a new website. The agent does the research, finds the contact info, and sends personalized emails. All you have to do is close the deal. Okay, let's take a step back and pull this all together. The key message here is a sense of urgency. And here's the bottom line. This isn't just about a new side hustle for a little extra cash. The opportunity with AI agents is a shot at creating generational wealth. It's a fundamental change in how work gets done. This tidal wave is on the horizon, and it is coming fast. The only question left is, are you ready to surf?